Let's look at how to set access limits for your page. This is useful for time-sensitive events or first-come, first-served promotions. First, let's create a link with an expiration date. Click the More Settings button and enter the start and end dates for link access. Today is July 26th, the day we're creating this video. The expiration date has been set, but since it's the end of this month, the link still works for now. Let's change the expiration date to yesterday, July 25th, and try accessing the link again. Since the link has expired, a warning message is now displayed. As you can see, the page shows a message saying the link has expired, and it no longer redirects to the original long URL. If we change the expiration date back to the end of this month, the link will work normally again. Links that have passed their expiration date can be found under the Expired Links menu on the left. Now let's set a password for the link before it redirects to the long URL. When a password is set, users must enter it to access the original URL, so you'll need to share the password in advance with your audience. As mentioned earlier, you must enter the correct password to access the long URL. Now let's set a limit on the number of allowed clicks for this link. Once the link exceeds the allowed number of clicks, it will no longer redirect to the long URL. The current click count for this link is 5. Since the click limit is set to 8, the link won't redirect to the long URL once the clicks exceed that number. The link has now reached 8 clicks. From this point on, it will no longer redirect to the long URL. Even though the click limit is set to 8, the click count keeps increasing each time someone accesses the link. If someone accesses the long URL directly in their browser without going through the short link, all restrictions will be bypassed. In that case, you should use the Link Validation API from the Developer API page. By installing the JavaScript SDK or calling the API on the long URL page, you can enforce that users must access it through the short link. If someone tries to open the long URL directly, the page will not display any content. You can generate an API key by clicking the Developer API menu on the left. Lastly, when a link expires, you can redirect users to your own custom URL instead of showing the Vivaldi page. Now when the link is clicked, it skips the expiration notice and redirects directly to the Google website. Try Vivaldi now.